Journaling isn't just for clarity, it's for nervous system healing too. I started journaling not to be productive, but to stop spiraling. When my mind was loud, messy, and anxious, writing things down helped me feel held and heard. Sometimes it's deep, sometimes it's a brain dump. Like, I feel off and I don't know why. I need reset, but I keep pushing. But every time I leave that page, feeling just a little lighter, a little clearer, a little more like me again. You don't have to journal perfectly. You just have to start where you are. Thank you for watching and follow me for more. Bye bye.